Lake campus to me is just the environment. It's just how beautiful it is out here. We have the lake and obviously the grounds itself. It's well kept. It's real enjoyable to come to work every day. Even though we are basically closed, we still have to maintain the facilities and the grounds. We have 7 people. Everyone pretty much here is jack of all trades. And with a small crew like this, you pretty much have to have a lot of knowledge about just about everything. The grass doesn't stop growing, so we need to come out and maintain that as well as the buildings itself. And we are doing a major repainting job right now, doing like our awning that we're redoing, door jambs, and also a lot of the accent walls we're redoing. It keeps us busy.
I'm mowing a lot of grass today. I mow about 40 to 50 acres over here at housing, so usually it takes me a day and a half to mow grass. We also take care of cleaning up the housing, pressure wash all the housing units as much as we can, and everything keeps going, so we stay busy.
We do have a small beach. And it gets used quite frequently, but we do have to maintain that. We do get a lot of things, especially how the lake flows and that kind of thing towards this way. It brings up a lot of debris. We have a lot of geese out here, so their droppings and stuff need to be cleaned off. So we do have a brush that we can hook to one of our mowers and clean off the paths, and that's the best way to do it is with a brush. We've also been busy with the sanitizing with COVID-19. I mean, we've been through every room, sanitized everything. We're setting up classrooms so that way we can have the social distancing on those as well. They're great guys. They will do anything to keep the place looking good. Whatever I ask them, they will do. I mean, they take a lot of pride in their work, and they do it well.